guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Roche, aka beautymagz. In today's video, I'll be doing another lingerie haul for you guys, and this time we are doing an affordable, sexy lingerie black see-through underwear haul. So if you're interested with this panty haul, lingerie haul, then please keep on watching. Here's another see-through underwear haul. This is going to be our part 12. It's been a while, right? Yeah, so we had a little bit of a break of G-strings series. Now I'm going back to my old series, which is the see-through, and this time, yes, I am doing 2 items for you guys. All these items I bought it at Shopee, of course, another online shopping, and it's very affordable. The prices are around 60 to I think 65 pesos, which is very budget friendly, affordable, and it's not heavy on your pocket, right? So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. So the first item I have here, it's lacy, and it's fashionable, sexy, of course, attractive, and it looks luxurious and expensive. Okay, so I have a little pouch here. This comes with this pouch. If you're interested about the seller, comment down below, let me know. Okay, and I have one subscriber or one visitor asking me about where I bought my stuff. It's mostly Shopee online, Miss Secrets, and also there are other vendors. I will let you know also. For now, it's Miss Secrets. Most likely all of my items are from that shop. Okay, the very first item I got here is Jadan! Oh, diva! Very sexy. It's a see-through. Very nice siya, guys. So, meron pa siyang tag. Let's take this. Sorry about my lighting if it's on and off. I can't control the weather, and I'm using natural lighting, so if it's up and down, sorry. This is natural lighting. Very simple makeup lang para magiging feel fresh tayo, di ba? Alright, so you guys, so this is our lingerie, first lingerie, of course, see-through, lacy type siya. And meron pa siyang paano dito, guys, hardware, no? Very nice siya. It looks fancy, actually. Diba? Right. It looks fancy, right? It's amazing. And look at the material. Oh, this is a very delicate material. So, yeah. If if you're wearing this, wear it in a very comfortable manner, especially with clothes. Probably not the sharp ones, because you might tear the lace here, because I think this is a very, very intricate material. Look at that. So just very careful with this one. I can also consider this as a bridal lingerie, because bridal, when it's bridal, it's more about lace, more those I call those like classic, right? So I feel this one hits that kind of a description, right? Or match that description, right? So yes, and look at the back. It's a thong dress. It still has a little bit of coverage here in the front. Let me see, just very difficult. All right, let's see, like that. Diva? Diva? Alright, so yeah, so this is our first lingerie. It's a black see-through lace type of a material. Yes, affordable and budget friendly. Yes, do you like it? I think this is very nice. It's fancy. Yes. Alright, you guys, so our next item, or the second item for the day, okay, what's gonna be? Is it still going to be black? Yes, it's still going to be black with a touch of leopard. May pa-leopard pa rin tayo. Of course, black pa rin siya, no? But I know it's majority of this is leopard, but there's still some black portion on this panty, right? This panty, not panty. Panty. Social, panty. Kasab antas ko na ni atong mayor. Panty. Murag penny? No, panty. My son said panty. Mommy, don't say panty. Panty. Paita ng Bisaya. Alright, you guys. So this is our second panty. Son, am I right? So this is our second panty. Alright, it's very nice. Look at the material. Lacy, right? The rubbers are good, very, very durable. Yes, yes. And yes, the leopard. This is look fancy, guys. And it doesn't really look like very cheap. Yeah, very cheap. It doesn't look cheap, okay? It looks still very, very like, you know, pang rich moment. You're still gonna be a like grrr moment with this one. Yes, for your night, for your spouse. Yes, have fun, have an exciting moment with this one. Yes, single and able. Yes, go, fight. This one is really nice, guys. You know, of course, leopard, and the material, I'm not so sure. It still looks soft. And it's not hot, okay? Pockets are cotton, of course. You see that? Yes. And is it nylon? No, it's more like silky satin type of material. So yes, it's nice, you guys. This is very comfortable to wear, I believe so. And the lace here that they are using, I think it's gonna be also fine, no? Yes, I like it. The designs are good. Yes, curvaceous body if you have. Yes, even if you are skinny type like me. Oh no, my lighting is off again. Alright, so okay, so this is it. This is our second item for today. I hope you like this lingerie haul of a woman's panty haul. If you like my video, please give this a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time.